Hi, my name is Jordan. One thing I love about working at Achatz is there's a strong family bond here. So when you start working here, you're a part of the family. They take you under your wing, and everybody's always there for each other.
Hi, my name is Tracy. So my favorite things about this company is that it's super local and earth friendly, and we're very conscious about our footprint on the earth. And I think there's just a really good family dynamic here, and everyone feels like family, and just the company takes pride in all of their employees. And I guess just all of our products are made with a lot of pride. I also think that all of the people who work here are just friendly and happy, and they love what they're doing, and I think that makes our products just even better because they're all made with such care.
Hi, my name is Fred. I liked about the people here. The atmosphere is pretty nice too. Yeah, it's a nice little family. Reminds me of my family a little bit. You play around and have fun while you're doing things. This is my playground. So, I mean, I still do my work. I do it, but I just like to, have fun. And this is a nice atmosphere to have fun, and then everything else falls into place.
Hi, my name is Josh, and I work at Achatz Pie Company. My favorite part about working here is every day I come in and I get to smell fresh pie baked every day. You get all different types of pie: blueberry pie, peach pie, apple pie, cherry pie. They even got our specialty pies that they do, like turtle cheesecake. One of my favorite pies I get every time I get pie bucks for working here.
My name's Dave Yono. I am Director of Operations, and I've been with Achatz for 1 year. Three things that I like the most about working here: working with the great people and an amazing team. Second thing is we produce the highest quality and best pies in the world, so it's awesome working with pies every day. And then just working with a company that has a great culture and high team morale every day.
Hello, my name's Alex. I'm the group leader here at Achatz Handmade Pie Company. I've been here about 5 years. My favorite things about working here is the teamwork, the camaraderie.
Hi, my name is Jenna. I'm assistant team lead of RTB. I like the decent hours and having off Saturdays. I like that everybody here is very friendly and they all kind of act like a family, so that's nice.
Hi, my name is Sandra. I've been here for a little over 10 years. We're a family together. We do things together. The owner understands when you have issues. He works with you. He's understanding. There's days when we have our issues and we're, kind of mad at each other, but in the end, I think we'd do anything for each other.
Hello, my name is Richard Samueli. I work in specialty room as a batch mixer. My job is to make all the specialty cream pies and anything about that, such as cakes, cookies, carrot cakes, anything to do with our specialty items. The employees are great. Everyone's super fun to work with. Everyone's super energetic, always have a really good mood. You get to work with upper management instead of just feeling you're kind of stuck in a weird spot, not knowing, if you're doing a good job. They really tell you how you're doing. The owners get to work with you. You get to see, what you're doing it for and why they're doing it, what they're working towards, and all the great values they have.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I work in the dough room. Everybody's pretty, family oriented, and I'm all about family. I really like that their schedule is pretty flexible. I'm a mother of 5. So they work around my schedule because I'm pretty busy.
I'm Patty Emmerich, and I am a member of the packaging team here at Achatz Pie Shop. There's a lot of things I like about working here. Everyone is accepting, and they're good to work with. Everyone works together as a team.
My name's Denny Collins. I work in the shipping and receiving department. Been here about 2 years now. I'd have to say I like the people here the most. Owners and management. I've never worked at a facility like this. There's weekly lunch, weekly prizes, and everyone's just real nice. Makes you feel like you're part of something bigger and part of a family here.
My name is Lauren, and I'm the assistant team lead in the boxing department. I love working at Achatz Pie Company because it is an incredibly fun job with a family environment, and the entire day is filled with laughter.
My name is Jean, and I work in shipping and receiving. I like that it's a family atmosphere and that you can talk to the owners about anything personal, has to do with work, anything.
Hi, I'm Yuki Hill, and I'm the packaging team leader for Achatz here. I've been here 10 plus years. So some of the things that I really like working here is that the company is very LGBT friendly. Obviously that's a big impact for me. The environment is non-toxic, it's like a second family, and everyone's got a generally good personality here. The job is unique and every day is not quite the same, which makes it more fun and interesting per day, not, boring Monday.
Hi, my name is Alyssa. I am a line leader at Achatz Pies. I run the fresh pie department. I really love the atmosphere, the culture. The job itself is very rewarding.
Hello, my name is Chris. I really like it. I've only been here for about a week now. So far, it's a great location. It's the environment, nice and clean. Everybody's extremely friendly. It's not an overwhelming job.
Hi, my name is Trent DeBlamick. Well, I started in sanitation when I first started working here. I've been here for 3 years, and honestly, working and just cleaning up after others. I just like humbling myself and cleaning and everything like that. But now I'm a floater, so I just go between all the different departments and help out with whatever is needed.
A lot of the benefits of working at Achatz is you get free lunch on Thursdays, which is awesome. We got a lot of variety. Like yesterday, we had some enchiladas and some authentic Mexican food. A lot of times, we have a lot of parties that go on. We have company parties, like we go to the Tigers game. We have a lot of fun. We take a party bus there, and we let loose a little bit.
I'd have to say my favorite perk about working here is our Achatz bucks. So I think 4 times a year we get little certificates, and I think for every 40 hours you work, you get a $5 credit. So it's really nice to be able to spend that money in the storefront and just get to bring home some pies for yourself and your family.
And one good thing about working here is everybody works as a team. They're very supportive, everybody's kind. And the best part about working here, if you're young, they're willing to help you move up, show you what course you need to take classes, and move up to learn more things so you can move on and better yourself. If you stay here working here, they're willing to pay you that extra money just so you can learn and be able to better yourself.
Some of the benefits that I enjoy are having the opportunity to lead such a great, hard-working team, using my previous food industry experience to make Achatz a better place, and then making sure my team has all the tools to accomplish their goals. Some of the other benefits I like are 401k, profit sharing. We have a company picnic and a holiday party every year. We go to a Tigers game. And we have pie bucks, which we can use at our retail stores to purchase pies. So it's a great place to work.
Top 3 benefits, I really enjoy the profit sharing, 401k, and the health insurance that they offer here.
The vacation time is really good. Health insurance is definitely a bonus. I like having a 401k, something to look forward to.
I'm going on almost 3 years, so I get about 15 paid vacation days. You can sign up for health and dental insurance.
I like our free lunch every Thursday. Our work parties are awesome. Our whole family's invited. Every week we get like a little raffle we do. The winner gets $50.
We have great benefits here: insurance, paid holidays that you accrue. You earn your time off.
I have lost 50 pounds since I started working here because my job is very active, and I would consider that an added benefit of working at this company.
They do like a work picnic, they take us to the Tigers game, they give us lunch on every Thursday, they do employee appreciation.
I would say some benefits at working for Achatz is upper management really cares about the staff here. Everybody's very, very fair. The paid vacation days are a big plus. They really reward your hard work in that way. So that's one of my favorite things.
It's a family company, and they do provide many benefits. So far, like I said, my first week here, they've already gave us a luncheon, which I believe they do every week. And they're also doing something this Saturday. They're all getting together and doing a barbecue. It's that type of work environment.
I have referred my brother here. He's worked here for a few years. It was fun, nice family-oriented place, and hope we can get some more of you here.
I have recommended a couple people. My daughter worked here for a few years, and now my son's here, and he's been here approximately 2 years. Once you are here and you get to know everyone, you want to work together because you don't want to leave your fellow man stranded.
I've definitely told my friends if they're really looking for a job, we're always looking for new energetic employees, people who are really looking to work hard and, make their way up through the ladder. If I really wanted a position, I worked hard towards it. I was able to get, assistant team leads and go to the batch mixer position I really wanted. If you put in, the work and your effort, they'll, will definitely help you move up.
I have recommended to some of my friends from my previous job. One actually came and helped during the last holiday season.
I referred my best friend Manda to this job, and she works on our fresh line, and then she actually referred somebody from her last job who works in the dough room now. Her name's Brittany.
Yes, I referred my daughter Melissa to the RTB line, and she ended up being the team lead.
I've referred many people here at Achatz over the years. I've been here, 10 years, so there are people from past to present, and some of them are currently here in positions of leadership, so I feel particularly proud about that.
Yes, I have recommended people to work here at Achatz.